Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. Today I'm in our technical lab at our UK hub in Chadderton, Manchester. Okay, let's get started.
In this video, we're going to look at how you would add the Maxpro controllers to the Maxpro Cloud. In previous videos, I've shown you how to set up an MPA2 or an MPA1. I've shown you how to configure the time, the date, the card formats, reader formats, and so on. All we're going to do in addition to that is configure the way the controller speaks to the cloud. So from your MPA controller, simply go to the panel configuration, go to host and loop communications, and then change it from web to Maxpro Cloud, and then click save. And that's it really. That's the Maxpro controller now set up and enabled to connect to a Maxpro Cloud system. Next, we then log into the Maxpro Cloud host. Once you've arranged an account with Honeywell, you've purchased the license for your device, and you've gone to My Maxpro Cloud, set up an account with your login and credentials. You can then log into your account and get started. You can see here I'm using our demo account. It says there's two devices and they're both offline, which is true. I've disconnected them for another purpose. But what we're going to do is add the MPA2 that we just spoke about. So let's go at the top there where it says dashboard. Let's go to that, click on that, click on customers. That'll take you to the customer site, ADI Global Demo. See, confirmed there's two controllers. Click on that. That brings up the site details. And what we can do here, we can, in the middle there where it says add controller, we can click on that, add controller. And we can add, what type of controller is it? Well, I'm going to add an MPA2. It asks for the MAC address of the device, so I'm just going to paste that in. And you can get, if I tag back to the MPA2, you can see there's the MAC address there. That confirms what its MAC details are. So I've just copied it from there and pasted it in there. It asks what type of controller is it? Well, it's going to be this one here. Then scroll down, the controller name, MPA2, leave it as it is. Time zone, it says Jersey. Let's just change that to London. No notes required. Elevator control disabled. And then at the bottom there, add controller. Click on that. And you can see the MPA2 controller successfully added. Okay, it's about 25 minutes later. Back on the dashboard, the start page, you can see now it says we have three devices in total. So if we go back to the customers, back to the ADI Global, and this time on the left navigation where it says controllers, click on that. And you can see now that the MPA2, the one we've just added, is showing as it's online and it's ready to go. So that's it really. That's the way of adding the controller to the Maxpro Cloud. So at the top, if we go to the start menu, and this time we go to the firmware tab, and what we can do is upgrade the controller to the latest version of firmware. So first of all is which site is it? I told you it's our demo site. What type of controller is it? Well, it's an MPA2, there it is, and then click search. And it finds the controllers. It shows that there's an update available, what this current version is, and the available version. And we simply press update, update, and in the background there, it will update that controller and bring it up to the latest version. Obviously, the web browser will go offline on the MPA2, so you won't be able to get into it to do any admin. But once this upgrade's done, it will then bring it into the latest version, and then you can get ahead and start using it. It shows that it's updated now, it's on the current version, and that site's ready to go now.
Installers rely on ADI. The ADI projects and technical teams offer a pre-configuration service. Any project size from a single device or to a complex system. Any IP device can be configured from our central hub using our technical and project teams. Having your device pre-configured will save engineers time on site. We can set your IP address, the gateways, and in addition we'll make sure your device has the latest firmware on board. Simply get in touch with your ADI sales contact or email the projects team. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.